Trump is planning to do something no country has done. On November 5, the world's top cryptocurrency, Bitcoin's value, stood above $68,000. And on November 13, it had crossed a whopping $93,000 for the first time ever. Trump's victory has sent the cryptocurrency industry into celebration mode. But what if Trump doesn't deliver on his promises? Could this euphoric crypto rally come crashing down? What does this mean for India's crypto market? Let's find out. Hello and welcome to Cut the Noise, a show where we decode market trends and uncover insights that matter the most to you. This was Trump's tweet in the year 2019, and cut to 2024, he has this to say.
This afternoon, I'm laying out my plan to ensure that the United States will be the crypto capital of the planet and the Bitcoin superpower of the world.
Just a week after Donald Trump's US presidential win, Bitcoin made a jump of 20%. Dogecoin is a meme coin previously backed by Elon Musk. It has risen by as much as 150% in value since election day. Trump reversed his stance on digital assets in his re-election campaign for 2024. The president-elect has even said that all future Bitcoin will be mined in America, which aligns with his plan to deregulate the energy sector and make it cheaper to mine Bitcoin. Trump is also planning to do something no country has done. He's planning to create a strategic Bitcoin stockpile. Creating this stockpile basically means accumulating and holding a reserve of Bitcoin, similar to how the US holds reserves of gold. If this happens, it could make the US a global leader in crypto or even inspire other countries to follow. Trump has also promised supportive regulation, and the sweep of the House and the Senate makes the passage of crypto bills much more likely. And guess what? There have been more than 294 crypto candidates that have been elected to Congress. This is being called as the first crypto Congress. Also, with Elon Musk in the White House, there's a better chance of policies that support blockchain and cryptocurrency mining, which could lead to big growth. For years, the crypto industry had been battling efforts by the Biden administration to regulate cryptocurrency, which has largely existed in a legal gray area. But the shift in the current administration has significantly boosted market confidence. But wait, does this mean that the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency is now only going to go up? Well, not really. Bitcoin's price has always been unpredictable, with sharp ups and downs happening quickly. Its value is tricky to measure, making it hard to say if it will keep rising. Market corrections are a natural part of any asset's journey, especially for something as speculative as Bitcoin. Take the 2017 bull run, for example. Bitcoin dropped nearly 80% of its value by the end of 2018 before it started to recover. Geopolitical events, regulatory crackdowns, or even technological issues can impact Bitcoin prices, like the 2021 Chinese crypto mining ban, which triggered a major slump. While Trump's policies may be supportive now, there's always a risk of sudden changes or new regulations on top of that. A lot of things depend on Trump's priorities. What if he chooses to focus first on major issues like China policy and the US economy, leaving digital asset legislation on the back burner and the crypto market uncertain? What does this rapid rise mean for India's crypto market? Well, the recent gains in crypto have brought the global conversation about digital assets back into the limelight. India has seen a growing base of crypto enthusiasts and investors over recent years, but it lacks regulatory clarity. India's cryptocurrency regulations are complex and evolving. People can trade digital assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum, but they can't use them for daily transactions. And on top of it, strict tax policies have discouraged several tech-savvy investors from venturing into the world of crypto. Crypto operates without borders, so global cooperation is key to regulating it, which is something even Nirmala Sitharaman had said last year. If the US takes a pro-crypto approach, it could set an example for other countries, including India, to follow. As the crypto market continues to evolve, all eyes will be on how policy decisions shape its future. Either way, it's a story worth following. That's all I have for today's episode of CTN. If you like the content, please like, share and subscribe to Grip's YouTube channel. Thank you.
Investments in debt securities, municipal debt securities, securitized debt instruments are subject to risks including delay and or default in payment. Read all the offer related documents carefully.